This is Antonov 26. It's a military transport aircraft which in service in Ukraine. The emergency state of Ukraine. We accomplish by this aircraft many missions, such as hospital flight, medevac, transport cargo or passengers.
Search and rescue.
Yeah, search and rescue. Also, we have a special equipment for searching and rescue some people who lost somewhere in different terrains and sea and etc. This is this is our equipment for injured, and after the full Russian invasion inside Ukraine, we also accomplished many hospital flights in different places in Europe, such as Germany, Czech Republic, and Turkey. Yeah, yeah. And we possible to carry out 2 serious injured passengers right here and over here. This is как сказать их,
White system, white transport system for injured, for light injured.
For medium injured passengers.
Injured, which mobility? This model unmobility injuries may use it. This used mobility injuries.
Yeah. We have 3 variants how we can carry out our persons, our people. First variant is 2 via this diagnostic place, and 6 via strands, and 16 via seat place. The second one variant is 2 victims on diagnostic place, 9 victims right here, and 20 via seated, like individually seated and transporting. And the last but not least, 2 victims on this place, like a reanimation place, and 22 seated individually place. But if we are following over 2,000 kilometers our route, it will be only via diagnostic place. Yeah. Maybe some question about aircraft. It's unpotential aircraft. It's really old but really cool aircraft, which unpotential, and he has a feature to be multifunctional and to complete many missions. We can move some passenger and etc. completed search and rescue and carry out parachute troopers, firefighters, by the plane. What else?
This aircraft is very reliable due to construction designed for military purposes, and in any situation in our practice, only very high reliable.
Yeah. It's true.
Equipment is not modern, but equipped with
super reliable.
All system for modern requirements in international navigation, international airports, and our country.